This is the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus, which might just be the best doorbell you can find. With its expanded head-to-toe view, HD video including color night vision, and easy setup, it's easy to see why it's so popular. But after trying it out for a while now, there are definitely some things I wish I knew before buying. So I'm going to tell you everything you'll need to know about the Ring Doorbell Plus and how it compares to other popular video doorbells. Starting with what's inside the box, we find the Ring Doorbell Plus itself, a rechargeable quick-release battery pack, the faceplate, a corner kit, a USB charging cable and installation tools, along with the setup guide, warranty information, and a security sticker. To set it up, start with downloading the Ring app and creating an account if you don't have one, and insert the rechargeable battery. The app will walk you through the process to connect the doorbell to the phone and Wi-Fi and to customize the settings. Using the mounting tools to install the doorbell about 4 feet above the ground, click the faceplate into place and it's good to go. The Battery Doorbell Plus gives a clear head-to-toe view of whoever is at the door. It has an expanded range of view versus the previously released Ring Video Doorbell 4 and most other top video doorbells. That's a big plus and makes it easy to fully see what's going on at the door. Also, the upgraded 1536p HD Plus video quality provides amazingly clear visuals, so all the important details are visible. And at night, it uses infrared lights to give clear color night vision, so you can rely on it 24/7 to see what's going on. Whether it's a package delivery or a pet passing through, the Doorbell Plus gives a clear view of any action. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus provides real-time notifications to the connected device when any motion is detected. And it has customizable motion settings too that are easy to control with the app. Use the settings to focus on key areas or to adjust the sensitivity level, so it only sends the desired alerts. For example, if you live on a busy street, you can change the sensitivity level to account for that. The Ring app makes it easy to check in on home with a live view button. This gives great peace of mind and is super convenient when you're out at work or on vacation. The two-way audio quality is nice and crisp and clear. It makes it simple to hear and speak to whoever is at the door, which is perfect for when someone comes unexpectedly or when you need to tell a delivery person where to leave the package. The Ring Battery Plus is compatible with Alexa, so it can be controlled by voice. And if you have other Ring devices, the Battery Doorbell Plus can easily be integrated and have them all be controlled from a single dashboard. Ring offers an optional Protect plan that gives extra features for a small monthly subscription fee. It includes storage of footage for 180 days in the cloud to review, save highlights, or share. It enables customized alerts for when the device spots a person or package. And it provides a photo preview embedded right in the notification. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus is an amazing home security device. It's easy to set up and provides a full head-to-toe view of whoever is at the door in super clear 1536p HD Plus quality. It has real-time alerts that can be customized based on specific situations and two-way talk that allows communication with anyone at the door. It's compatible with Alexa for voice control and can easily be integrated into a wider Ring smart home system. The optional Ring Protect plan provides extra features for a monthly fee like 180 video storage and photo previews embedded in notifications. Well, that's all for this video. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.